What's up, YouTube? And today we're gonna be pulling an engine and trans out of my co-worker's S2000. So right now we're meeting up with another co-worker, and then we're gonna drive out to the other co-worker's house and then pull this engine. Hopefully it goes good. We got a cherry picker and then a transmission jack, so it should be all right. But I mean, we'll see how it goes. Should only take a little bit. He's got most of the stuff already disassembled. He's getting a race motor, I think. I think that's what it is. I don't know. Somewhere around that, but maybe I'll catch you when we meet up with the next coworker. If not, I'll see you guys in the garage.
But this is a Z7, so check this out.
And one of them normally come in, like a fucking Honda Odyssey minivan or something?
An Accord, an Odyssey, a CRV, like a couple European styles. It's a VTEC engine too, so you got VTEC, you can just bolt a little turbo onto it, VTEC it, and fucking call it a day. Usually what guys do is run a little adapter plate on it about this wide. You put your blow-off valve right here, your wastegate right here, and then your turbo just sets right there, right down in this cubby. And when you run your exhaust, you run your exhaust right out the back.
So
your intake
simple.
comes right here. That's your VTEC solenoid. All your
Yeah, we bought their own cars. Yep.
push it forward, reach in there, and just slide the stick forward in gear. Just push it forward, straight forward. Get it?
I mean, it was in gear.
There you go.
Should be. The fuck's the radio on this thing? Oh, it's got a drop down.
It's behind the flip down. The middle. Press that S2000 carbon fiber thing.
That's gangster. Honestly.
Alright, let off the brake.
Yep. Honestly, this interior is so much better than any American cars.
Alright, hit the brake.
This is what? 2007?
2002.
That's the 02, I think it is, yeah.
Push to start.
It is pretty cool.
Audio control right there.
I mean, like you said, compared to an 02 American car.
The channel, the volume. What the fuck?
I told you, fucker.
I fucked up.
I fucked off.
Nah. I fucked up with the interior. Yeah.
On the stub end.
Yeah, so like you put this on,
Okay.
and you can slide this in there. Now you got a breaker bar with
I gotcha.
instead of like trying to do it with your hand.
Yeah.
So the only thing that's holding all this up right now is this bar and that. Once I get the drive line off, we drop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts, and this thing's hanging. It's done. I just couldn't get down here to do this weekend because I had to help Kelly with Jax. She had to work yesterday.
Yeah. Pain in the ass.
Well, that's okay. They still have 1-year auto policies. They got paid.
They got one of those
I guess that would.
like
Yeah.
adapters to lift it from a thing. Like, you know what I mean? Or where are you gonna lift it from? Well, see, mine, I gotta take off the fucking intake and I gotta put a plate on it. I mean, I could. It's a better way. It's a plate with a eyelet that you just hook that into. Yeah, dude's got NSX coil packs in here, NSX oil filter. See
Be putting the big turbo in.
like my Audi, they classify them as the R8 coil packs when I had it.
Those things will take your fucking breath away.
I was drinking a Crown last night.
Fuck, dude. Fuck that, dude. That should've
Crown and Coke.
give me a fucking panic attack.
Dude, I told you about that chick on vacation, didn't I? Finally, we see her come walking out, and it's like a boardwalk down, you know? And she gets to that first boardwalk where it starts going down, and you see her go over to the edge. And I'm like, oh man. You see her disappear for a minute, and she comes back and she hits that boardwalk again and she leans over the edge and you've seen and heard the waterfall.
Oh man!
Am I?
Oh man!
And fucking went up and over the overpass, and he's like, dude, he's like, I come to and it was too late. He's like, I just fucking stood up, got in between the seats, and fucking
dude, just
held on for dear life.
Imagine what they do. Oh fuck!
fucking lights a cigarette.
Oh fuck!
No, he did. Well, that's what's funny. So he wrecks his fucking semi, gets, you know, all this rubble and shit, and
Whenever
he's
he lights
outside
up
the
a
truck.
cigarette, I can't. It just cracks me up, dude. It's just so.
So yeah, so he crashes his semi, right? Rubble, all that shit. He's out. He's walking. Guy comes up to him. He's like, man, he's like, you fucking see that crash? He's like, man, where the fuck's the driver? And Uncle Dave goes,
I am him.
I am.
Oh.
I am the driver.
I am he.
And he's like, dude, holy fuck, man. You need a fucking ambulance or what?
Hit me up.
We had a fucking forklift for Essexville. Fucking gas on the right, go on the left.
That's the one that I had to deal with. Do you remember I was driving that thing around?
I think it was so fucking.
I shut that fucker down twice because I thought I was gonna fucking slam it into something.
Dude, I'm trying to rev it. I rev it up and then I like try to go forward or backwards. It was real fucking.
Oh yeah.
I'm like, oh fuck, man.
Yeah, it was not a very comfortable setup. I wonder if that's holding the plate on. I wonder if that's just holding. It's acting like it's just holding the plate on because that bitch is like separating. You see that?
Yeah. Let me try to find a better spot. Trying to find a good spot here. Oh.
Easy.
That's just on the side. Oh, I think it's coming. Yeah, it's about to come out. Let me lower the engine a little bit.
Hold up. I think I see what we gotta do. Gotta come over there with you, jack it up, and then get off the stops.
Jacket.
Oh no, you're good. So grab that. Nope, you're good. Lift it up. Lift it up again. All right, now grab those stops on that left side.
Oh, yep.
And then.
Try pulling back now.
How about that?
Yeah, we got room when I pull the engine this way. So if you can.
You got a pry on it or something?
I can try. Shitty price,
Hey
but.
Brandon, if you can see the head of the clutch.
All right.
We got a problem. Be gentle with
yep,
her.
we're good.
Those bolts are only 10 mils.
We're good. Yep, we're good. Yeah, we're good. Just straight out.
Straight up and out.
Yeah, straight up and out.
All right.
Gentle.
How do you want to set it? Just lightly with little.
Oh, hey, grab that vert that used up tire.
Yep.
All the way in the back. Set it on the tire.
You want to try to pull a tranny out the top too? What are you thinking?
I don't know. Somebody take a picture of me, though.
I got a full ass recording of it.
Alright, so this is gonna be the easiest way. Evan, pull this out. Slide under here. On my side, on this side?
You don't want me to try to?
No, Brandon's gonna have to lift the transmission bell housing up. And you're gonna have
I can get in the engine bay.
Yeah. So lift.
All right, I got it.
Back through with you. All right, Evan, me and you are gonna slowly set it down. Slowly set it down. I'm with you. All right.
You want me to set it?
You're good. Yeah, you set your down.
Okay, good.
Woo! Fucking hell. That clutch, that fucking, I was like, dude, we gotta be missing something.
Clutch fork.
So is that what made it start separating then as soon as you pulled that?
Oh, dude, I pulled that thing out and it literally went. I'm like, oh boys.
So what does that piece look like?
The shift fork for the pilot bearing, for the
Oh,
throttle
I
bearing.
gotcha.
That piece goes around this right here and pushes this in and out. Oh, yeah,
I
we got
gotcha.
that fucker all bent up now. That's right there. I got a new clutch sitting back there. Yeah, I bought a new clutch. I don't reuse clutches.
Yeah.
I burn these things up in a fucking season.
A V6 with a stick?
Sadly not.
Alright, hold the,
If not, I'm sure Dad's got some fucking hand wash in the truck.
Some right
I got
there.
some right there, bro.
Yeah, but he ain't got no running water. Think so?
Oh, it's rolling.
Yeah, it's
Think it's roll?
Yeah, it did. Oh, hold up.
Go, go
me-
set that e-brake. Easy. Alright, you can just set her down right there nice and soft.
Mmm.
Oh yeah, here's a fucking road greasy grind.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Yamasaki.
Alright, I ain't got much battery left, but we did get it done. He's gonna send the motor in, get K24 built up for him, and he's gonna start racing that thing again. He does grid life and stuff like that. He just does mostly time racing and like class racing, so you know, like DCA, all that, and then works on his time. A lot of grip into that car. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like. I'm trying to get out there more and do more videos like this, and I hope it was solid. I mean, I hope we got enough footage, and I'm gonna edit it up. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.